Hey D, I wanted to show you something real cool. This is my Fusion. I have way more models than this. This is just the ones that are editable. If I click home and main folder, uh, more show up. It's populating. There's so many. I'm not, I just need to get on with what I came on here to show you. See, they're populating. There's a Batman light I made. But anyways, let me close this. I'm going to create a new sketch. I want to see if I can do this real fast. I'm going to choose that bottom plane. I could do that, but I'd like to click right here for the plane. See, there we go. Now, let's create a center circle. I was thinking of your weed eater thing you made. I'm just going to make this small, 80 millimeters. Okay. I just got to remember 80 millimeters. Now, let me see. Finish sketch. And then I'm going to insert. Okay. Offset plane. Okay. Plane. I want the plane. Let's see. Is that on the side? Yeah, I want it on the same side. There we go. Distance. Let's just go up 50 millimeters. Okay. That offsets my plane. Now I'm going to do another circle. So I have to create a new sketch. Okay, now another circle. And let's just, I forgot what it was. I wanted to remember the size, but let's see. It was 80. 80. Enter. I actually have two planes. I'll show you. See? Okay, I'm going to do one more offset. Now, I'm not very finished sketch. I'm not very good at the construct plane at angle. Okay. I want it right here. Okay, yeah, that's what I was worried about. I'm not very good at plane at angles. Let me see, what angle do I want it at? I think I want it off this one. Let's just cancel. I'm just gonna show you what is possible without offsetting it. I'm just gonna do another offset plane, and we're gonna do it at about 40. So see, now there's another. Oh shoot. Let me see. Construct offset plane. I forgot to choose this plane. And then 40. Okay, see, now there's one even taller. Okay, now I'm going to create a sketch, but I'm going to draw a rectangle. Create sketch. Okay, we're getting there. Why is it? Oh, okay, I know what it's doing. I'm trying to do this. A 3-point, a center rectangle. Let's do a center rectangle. Okay, I'm just going to do it about like this. And then hit enter. Okay, now look, I got 3 deals. Finish sketch. Now here's where loft command comes in. See what I was wanting to do? I was wanting to put this over here just a little and angle it, which I can do, but I don't want to spend a long time on this video. Create loft. Click, click, click. Look what I made. And then we're going to click. Okay. I'm trying to remember shell 2 millimeters. Okay. It didn't open up this side. I don't know if shell command works on a 2 millimeters. Yeah, you can't shell a rectangle. You see what I'm doing though, right, buddy? So I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to offset. Okay, let's create a sketch. I've never done this, so do that line. Now I'm going to hit O for offset. And I'm going to put -3. Let's do -2. Okay. Now see how I did that? Now watch this. Hit E for extrude. Then I'm going to do a -80. That way it, and then over here it says cut right here. Okay, so it didn't work right. It cut through this side right here. So I'm trying to think how I could have prevented that. You see what I'm trying to do though, right, buddy? This is how I learn. I just practice. And all I got to do is just back up and then rethink. Oh, see, my plane is just a little off. Oh, one thing I could do is offset this line like 10, -10, minus dang it, -10. I got -1,000 now. Minus, nah, not that much. -6. Okay. Now let's extrude. Extrude -45. I'm just trying to, I'm picking 45 because I know it's deep enough. There we go. I just wanted to show you. There's a way to get this lip off here. Oh, I know what I can do. I'll just, hold on. Let me just extrude -2. Oh, wow, that looks cool. Look, I made it, you know, and I was like, if I knew your weed eater size, I could edit this to slip on, and I could make this longer. I just made up those dimensions. I can make them to whatever size, you know, we're making a part for. But that's how good I am in Fusion. But over here is some of my designs. I'm just trying to think if any of them were worth showing you. Some of the more complicated ones. But Here's a box I made I'm pretty proud of. We'll open it up. But yeah, this was just a simple extrude. I got them corners there, I see that. But here's a box I made. And watch, I'll take the back off. That down there at the bottom is a stand I made. But when you zoom in on this, can you see the lip? There's a lip right here. That fits in the box, in the back. See, there's the back. Now, if I take the front off, that's what the back looks like. Black's hard to see. That's for LED lights to go through. And then I turn my colors back on, which is the front. And then here's my stand that I made that I put under it. And this is actually setting in my living room. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I do in Fusion 360. Here's a Doberman sign I made for Justin. It's at his house right now. It's loading, I think. This property is protected by the good Lord and a Doberman and a gun. If you come here to steal and do harm, you might meet all three. I'll see, here's the back. And there's that lip. You can see it sets inside of it. And then I got the hole down there right here for the LED lights to go through. Yeah, I made this one for Justin. Front. There we go. So I made this from a picture. All right, well, I'm going to turn this video off, upload to YouTube, and send it to you later and show you what some of the things I do in Fusion. I've got hundreds of drawings over here. There's another. Here's a game controller light right there. That's actually a big light, LED light. But I'm going to shut some of these out. Fusion, it'll bog your computer down quick. You just work on one at a time, you're fine. And then I'm going to don't save. I can make that easily. And that's Fusion. I keep my layout grid off. I don't know why, but anyways, I'll talk to you later, D. I'm going to end this.